Hello, everybody on YouTube. Welcome to the stream. I'm streaming right now, so I'm doing something a little different than normal. I am doing a Holy Gambit Grail. Now, what that is I'm trying to play every single chess gambit and get a win with it. Now, the rules are as you see on the screen. The games must be played on stream. Games must be played in the pool, so I can't play viewers or someone just you know that I know. It's got to be somebody random in the pool that's close to my rating. Can only be submitted if I'm the one who is playing the gambit. Anytime control, so I can play blitz, bullet, rapid, daily games, whatever. Um, Anyone can do this grail. Um, but the brilliant idea belongs to Jonathan Strauss. Can be done on any chess website. No cheating. He put that right there. Now, I've already added a few gambits here. I started with a Wikipedia article, and I've been copy pasting all the gambits into here. I got to 220 out of, let's see, I started at 17, so I've added 203 to my own list. But I got tired, so what I'm going to do is I am going to um, just kind of play a game, add it to my list, highlight it, say it's done. I will, um, add it to the list, and then I will take the link from when I originally played the Gambit, put it on the, so, I got columns there. You can't see the other columns, but I'll add it in the column on the side. Win by decisive victory. But without any further ado, I'm gonna try to do these in blitz. Because I think a lot of games work that way. You can get Halloween games to work better that way. The Irish is going to be a tough one to get. But let's go. We get black. A lot of games here is black. So I'm going to play this. This is the Elephant Gambit. This is one I don't have. Oh, wow. He declined it. Well, we'll push him up then. Elephant Gambit declined. Very interesting. So there's nothing. Right. That's about how it goes. I'm threatening to win this pawn. Then I like trap. If this, I take en passant. Oh, look, I have 3 pieces developed, and he has 1 piece developed. To do this, I'm just gonna take. Okay, now we go here. I'll just go here. Castle, and I'm safe. You take there, I take. And now I've got all of this pressure just aiming all the way down here. Let's see. me go here to hit this, that. Thanks that. So that's a mistake. You can't take that back. Just because of that move. And now I'm hitting this hard. I'm gonna take this because that's pinned. I'm hitting this twice. So I think I can save that. Let's see. I can't really take that. Let's see. You can't take that. Oh my gosh, look at this move. It can't take because of that. Wow. That's crazy. Absolutely saving my pieces here. And now this is even, wow. So now this is under, oh wow. That's free. This is crushing, oh my gosh. Oh no! You can't do that! Okay, alright, alright. Okay, so there's this, I go here, I think. Okay, now I'm threatening mate. Wow, I'm threatening mate two different ways. I'm threatening this and I'm threatening this. Wow! Yeah. Crushing. Absolutely crushing with the Elephant Gambit. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. What? That's gotta be a brilliant move. That is crazy that that worked. It's not. Oh, but it's so good. That move is insane. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Immediate mistake. Yeah. Wow. It wasn't a perfect game, but it was a good game. Look at that. That is crazy. That is absolutely monstrous. That move is insane. I don't know how that's not brilliant, but that move is absolutely insane. Yeah, tried to get away. Oh, but could not get away. Oh, I had mate one. I don't know. I just thought this bishop wasn't here, I guess. Still very forcing. Wow. It's mate. It's crazy. That is insane. Wow. I don't think I've ever crushed so much. Alright, well, we gotta add it and highlight it. Because I know it's not on here, so we add the Elephant Gambit. Wow. That was crazy. We're filling in with yellow. So let us know that we have played it. The date 07/09/2023, and then the link. Or the analysis link. Let's do the analysis link instead. That is monstrous. That's crazy. Wow. Seeing that move is bonkers. That's a move that just oh my gosh. If you play that move, you deserve to win. That's all I gotta say. If you play that move against me, I'm resigning on the spot because wow. Just seeing that is wild. And then wanted to. I knew I wanted to. I was like, I want to play this move. But I was like, but it doesn't work. And I'm like, oh, it does work. Do you see that? That is insane. Wow. Defended by the knight. Protected by tactics by the bishop. My opponent's probably trying to take that too. That is crazy. Wow. Alright. Another one.